Hello, this is Arthur again, and today I have a 2019 Mercedes GLC300 with 93,000 miles. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I have a lot of videos on different interesting cars and interesting repairs that will really help out my channel grow. As far as this car goes, it's here because it has a check engine light and also for service. I did check the codes, and it does have a thermostat code P0128, which is pretty often happens on these cars, these engines, and the thermostat starts acting up and it doesn't register the temperature very correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the thermostat with the housing. Comes as one piece. I just picked it up from the Mercedes dealership, and I'm going to show you. Here's the part that needs to be replaced. It's the thermostat housing with the thermostat already inside installed. This typically gets replaced as one piece. The Mercedes doesn't sell these parts separately. It comes as one piece. Here's the part number for it. If you have this issue on your car, make sure you check with your VIN to make sure this is the right part for your car. But for this one, this is the one. I also have a new oil filter, original from the dealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it apart. The engine bay is pretty dusty. Looks like it's maybe parked under a tree. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all its leaves first because I don't want any of it falling anywhere, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece as well as the intake manifold, the computer, I believe, if I remember correctly, and then the thermostat housing is beneath that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next. So I did take the ECU out from here, as well as I removed the bottom tray, and I did put some catch cans on the bottom. Now I'm gonna start disconnecting the lines. This coolant is gonna spill, and then I'll see what else I have to disconnect to get the intake manifold out. Okay, so I have everything off. The thermostat is out, intake manifold is out, throttle body, as well as few other lines and connections. Make sure you remember where all the connections go. There are a lot of them, and there are a few under the intake. There's a couple of vacuum tubes as well. It says this one and this one that connect on the intake manifold, as well as few connectors. And then there are a few connectors that are kind of attached to it. You have to pull this to the side and take it out. Here are all the parts that are out. This bracket, the intake manifold, this intercooler. Here's the old one. When you're putting this one in, make sure you lubricate this O-ring, because this one is easily broken and then you'll have a big leak. Ask me how I know. Happens sometimes. So you gotta make sure you lubricate this before you put it in, and make sure you drive it in smoothly. It's time to put everything back. I'm just gonna clean up around this area a little bit. A lot of coolant came out. It's very important to put a catch can underneath, or you're gonna make a big mess. Everything is back on. I'm going to add coolant, everything other than this ducting, because I want to see, make sure nothing is leaking. I connected everything. I think if there's an issue, check engine light usually will come on, but I'm pretty sure I connected everything back. Alright, I put the coolant in. Now I'm going to do a first start. Okay, might get some belt noise because of the coolant spilling a little bit. Just gotta check for leaks. I'm going to put the ducts back on and then wash the front of the tray and stuff a little bit to make sure all the coolant gets out. And then good idea to check the coolant because it probably got stuck in. It did a little bit. I was gonna go have my coffee break, and then I noticed that this car has a coolant leak from here, from this vent line. It's a slow leak, but it's leaking, and I'm gonna have to go get a new one. Right now that I'm done with my coffee, here's the new part. This is the part number, and I'm gonna swap it out. Alright, so this Mercedes is almost done. I just need to do the oil change. I did replace the thermostat housing, and they should take care of the check engine light and the code. I also found a leak from the radiator vent line. I replaced that as well. So hopefully this video was somehow helpful to you. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you.